These are the ingredients that we're going to need: onions, spring onions, garlic, 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, ginger, lots of ginger, and beef stock. So you're just going to saute them all together, and then I've added the beef stock, and then I've also added 5 cups of water. And then because it's 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, so I've added an extra 5 cups of water. And then just continue stirring it to prevent it from sticking at the bottom of the pan. And it's that easy, and you'll have a delicious lugaw or porridge.